friends, Mrs. O'Keefe here, and we're going to do a little math lesson today. We are going to be telling number stories, and I have some really cute little ducks that I'm going to use to show that to you, okay? But first, we're going to start off with one of our rhymes that we do in our classroom, and I wanted to share them with everyone so that you could learn them too, okay? Maybe some of you have heard this before, and if you're in my class, you can say it along with me, okay? Ready? 10 little friends went out to play on a bright and sunny day. They took a little walk, 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 and they had a little talk, 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 talk. They climbed up a great big hill and at the top stood very still. Then they all tumbled down to the ground. We're so tired, they said, and they went home and went to bed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. So I told you about my cute little ducks, and here they are. I have two cute little ducks right here. Okay, here they are. We're going to pretend this is a pond. So the two little ducks are swimming in a pond. Okay, my two little ducks swimming in a pond. One flies in. There he goes, lands in the pond. We had two, and one more came to join them. How many ducks do I have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We now have 3 ducks in the pond. So when we're doing number stories and we're adding, okay, that means that we're going to add another duck, right, in our story here. And whenever we add to the ducks that we had before, our number is going to get bigger, right? We're going to have more ducks than we had before, okay? All right, so let's keep this little duck here, okay? And now we have 1, 2, 3 little ducks swimming in the pond. One more flew in and came in for a landing. And now how many ducks do we have? We had 3, 1, 2, 3, and we added one more. That makes 4. We also made a rhyme too. We're pretty good, aren't we? Now we have 4 ducks. So we had 3, we added one more, and now we have 4, right? Good job. All right, so now we're going to keep these 4 ducks here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ducks swimming in the pond. One more flew in, landed, and now there are, how many little ducks? Let's count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducks in our pond now. So we started with 4, right? So we had 4, and then we added one more, and that makes 5. So if we were going to put a number sentence to our picture, we would say 4 ducks plus 1 duck equals 5 ducks, okay? So we're gonna back up for a minute, and I'm gonna take these little ducks away. And actually, I'm gonna take this one away too. So now we are left with just 1 duck. So we're going to go back and we're gonna add our ducks again with our number story. And I'm also going to write out a number sentence to match our story, okay? Just like when we're learning how to write, we draw our picture, and then some of you may be doing this now, and some of you are going to do it in kindergarten. You might start writing your sentence about your picture. Well, that's what we're doing here, but it's a math sentence, okay? So one little duck, here he is, swimming in the pond. One more flew in, whoosh, and now we have, how many little ducks? 2. We had 1 duck, we added one more. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I have my whiteboard here, and we're going to write a number sentence. All right. Ready? So I started out, you ready, with, let's see if I can do this. So 1 duck, okay? And then we added. So when we add, that means something else is going to come into our story, right? We're adding, our number is going to get bigger. We're going to have more ducks, okay? So I'm going to use a plus sign. right? That's our plus sign. 1 plus. Okay, now we added how many ducks? We added one more duck, okay? So here's my 1, right? 1 duck plus 1 duck equals. So I'm going to show you the equal sign. Now you may have seen this before. If you haven't, this is what it looks like. There's our equal sign, okay? 1 plus 1 equals. And then the number we put over here is how many we ended up at in the end, right? So 1 duck plus 1 more duck equals 2 ducks. So I need to write what number there? Did you say 2? I hope so. Good for you if you did. 2. There we go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. All right, let's do another one, okay? So we have 2 ducks swimming in the pond, okay? And let's add 1 more duck comes flying in. Whoosh, we're landing. How many ducks do we have in our pond now? 1, 2, 3. Good job. We started out with 2 ducks. And how many ducks did we add? How many ducks flew in? 1, right? 1 more duck. So we started out with 2. So that's what we're going to write this time. Ready? 2 ducks. And now we're going to use our plus sign because that means our number is going to get bigger, or sometimes it stays the same. But that's for another day. 2 plus, there's our plus sign. And how many ducks did we add? We added 1, right? This looks a little bit different than our other one, didn't it? And now we need our equal sign. There's our equal sign, okay? So we started out with 2 ducks this time. We added 1 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3 ducks. There we go. We're going to write our number 3. Awesome job. Okay, now we're going to do 1 more, okay? And this time, you ready? We are going to have 2 ducks just like we started with that last time. But this time, instead of adding 1, guess how many ducks are going to fly in? Did you guess 2? You were right if you did. 2 ducks swimming in the pond. 2 flew in. Psh. And now, how many ducks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started with 2. We added 2 more, and now we have 4. So let's write a number sentence for that, okay? That'll be our last one. You guys are doing a great job. So we started with 2. I think I'm going to have to write it at the top here, okay? We're going to started with 2 ducks. Ready? 2. And then, I want to use this marker here for our plus sign, right? Because we added, right? We had more ducks came, so we need to use our plus sign, okay? 2 plus 2, because this time we had 2, not 1 duck, but 2 ducks come. 2 plus 2. All right, now for that equal sign, right? And this is going to tell us, this number over here tells us how many ducks we have all together. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. 4 ducks. And there we go. There's our number 4. Wow, look at that math you just did. You guys are so smart. Kiss your brains. Give them a kiss. Give them another one. Good job. I'm really proud of you. All right, my friends. So if you want to, you can find anything you want around your house to count and help you make number stories. You might have some cars. You might have some Barbie dolls. You might have some LOL dolls. Maybe you have some crayons, or you have some of your action figures. You can use any of those things, and you can make some of your own number stories, okay? Great job. I hope you share some if you do some on your own. All right, bye friends, see you soon, miss you.